My name is Sridhar. I am studying in 9th class. I am described in non-water using a lifting of the water in a high evolution in the situation of mounting is a pure. This pure water is working by the force through a water pipe flowing on a water. And until it is enough to speed and momentum. This momentum is caused by the slug and slam. The slug open the force, and the success stopped the water, create a high pressure slug. The slug is high pressure pushes through a delivery. Separate on the delivery was a 8 chamber helping smooth to a rapidly cycling flowing water is normal flowing a water. Significant drops if the life grid non-water using the lifting of the water high elevation situation in a stationary drops. It is used by agriculture and livestock and the animal cutting this pump is worked by the force in the falling through a water smaller the amount of the pipe. This is worked by the until it gains enough to speed and the momentum. This momentum is caused by the waste water slam and slug and success stopped the water and create a high pressure. This is called slug is open the force on a separate delivery. The slug the high pressure pushes and smaller on the water through a delivery pipe high elevation with an 8 chamber smooth to flow non-water used by the lifting in a water situation.